bitch.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I hope everyone is having an amazing winter or Christmas, depending on when this video goes up. I know I am. I absolutely love this season. I love Christmas. I love comfy, big clothes. I love hot chocolate. I love Christmas movies. I love the scenery of the snow. I love everything about the season, just the cold I don't really like, but other than that, I absolutely love it. I hope everyone else does too. First, I do just want to say though, before we get into the actual video, I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon because it's going to be when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is not that far away. So just make sure you stay till the end of the video because I'll have what products are going to be given, the rules and instructions and everything on how to enter. The only thing is there is one product that I don't use and haven't used, and reason being I couldn't get the one product that I did want online, so I just did something else instead, but I'm sure it's going to be just as good. And please guys, please don't not enter because you feel like you're not gonna win. Trust me, I've had that mentality before too. I haven't entered things because of it, but I have entered things also with that mentality, just like, oh whatever, I'm not gonna win, but I'll still enter. It takes 20 seconds, which is how long this will take too, so just enter anyway. And I actually ended up winning something, so you never know. And plus, if you do like Jaclyn Hill's giveaways or anything like that, you're way more likely to win one of my giveaways than hers because my following is so much less than hers. So just trust me, take the 20 seconds out of your day, enter this giveaway, and you won't regret it. If you don't win, you don't win. There's nothing to lose. Alright, that's it. That's all I have to say. I'm really sorry this intro was kind of long. I didn't intend it to be, but I did need to say those couple of things. But that is it. So now we can get right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
When I let you go, I just pulled you closer. I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. I'm sorry I don't have more outfits to show you. It was a very last minute, fast, crazy thing to shoot because I got ready, I did my makeup, I picked out my outfits, got that all together. We only have so many hours of daylight. The sun goes down and it's black at like 4:30, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? Okay, so giveaway instructions and rules. 1, you have to be subscribed to me. 2, you have to give this video a thumbs up. And 3, make sure you comment your favorite thing about Christmas or winter down below, whether that's the scenery of winter, whether it's knit sweaters or warm clothes or hot chocolate or Christmas movies or putting up the Christmas tree or decorating, whatever it is, make sure you comment that down below because that's where I pick the winner from. I take all the comments and I put this in a thing online and it scrambles them up and then picks a random one, but that's where I get the winner from. So do make sure you comment because that's a really important step. And on top of all of that, make sure on your profile that your subscriptions and your liked videos are public, because if you're the winner, if you're the one that gets picked out of the comments and I go to your profile and I go to see if you liked my video and are subscribed to me and I don't see anything because they're private, I'm not gonna know, so I can't pick you as the winner. So that would really suck if you won and I can't pick you. So just make sure you do that. And now I can show you the products. So the first thing that I picked out for you guys is this, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I love the formula of these shadows. I love any look you can make with it. And my favorite thing about this palette is the one shade, the Vermeer shade. It's kind of like a highlight almost. I love doing halo eyes with that in the center. It just gives off this like really pretty glistening look, and it's just my favorite. Every time I do a halo eye, I make sure I use that. So that's one of the products. The other product is this. And these are the Lily lashes from Sephora collection. And I always buy my lashes from lilylashes.com, and I always get the Miami ones. These are the Miami ones too. But these ones from Sephora, they come in a different package and they look fuller. So I'm not sure if they're the exact same thing. They're probably not because they do look more full. But I honestly think that's better. But yeah, that's the second one. And then the third product is this. It's the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and I use this every single time I do my makeup. It's my favorite bronzer ever. I do use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer once in like a month, sometimes just to experiment because I forget what it's like. But I always come back to this one. I will never switch a favorite bronzer ever. That's always going to be my number one, and I know that. Alright, the fourth product I have is this. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is really good for anything. Like, you can use it under lashes. I use it all the time under my lashes. You can use it when it's just alone too. It's very voluminous and it does lengthen quite a bit too. And it's very black. So I really like that because when my lashes are just like chalky black, I hate when it looks like that. So I highly recommend this mascara. Okay, the fifth product is this. And now we're kind of getting into skincare. This is 100% natural tea tree oil. And this I use every single time I get a pimple or a zit or anything like that. You literally just take a Q-tip, put a little bit of the oil on it, put it over your pimple, leave it like at nighttime, leave it overnight. In the morning, wash your face with cleanser and everything, and it dries it out completely. Like, I promise you, if it's not in a day, it'll be in 2 days that your pimple is just dried out and ready to like scab over and come off. The last product I have now, this is the one I haven't tried yet, but it's because I couldn't get my other one online, but it's this. So this is a Sephora collection of face masks, and this, so the one I wanted to get is from The Body Shop, and it has 3 different kinds of face masks. I forget exactly what they all do, but they're all like organic, free of everything basically, vegan, whatever. So I tried it just for that reason, to see what it was like, and I really liked them. But I'm sure, like, these come with 6, so you're already getting a better deal. But the face masks this one comes with are the coconut, pearl, green tea, rose, aloe vera, and pineapple. So again, I haven't tried this, but it sounds really good. Like, I kind of want to get one for myself so I can try it. But that was the last product, so that kind of wraps up this video. Like I said, make sure you do all of the rules and instructions on how to enter, because it's the only way you're going to be able to win. So just take 20 seconds out of your day, enter it. If you lose, you lose. I'm sorry, not everyone can win. I'll have more giveaways to come. I love all of you guys so much. I just want to take 1 second to just say thank you. honestly, this means so much to me that all of you guys are just so supportive and so happy. Like, oh my god, the support on my last video, on my proposal video that I got, is unreal. I've never had that many people message me before about a video, so it was pretty crazy to see, but it just makes my heart so happy. So again, thank you guys so much for the support. I will see you all in my next video, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah. I don't know what you guys celebrate, but I hope you have a good one. Bye guys.